Hey, John Kabak is here with another edition of My Take. And this large model I have right here is Stamp's most recent 1/18th version of their 1959 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Now, 1959, I think we would all have to agree, was by any measure an amazing year for automotive design in the USA. Eventually, these things kind of spread around. We'll talk about that in just a second. But it was the epitome of flamboyance, of boldness, and individualism that kind of represented everything the United States was back in the late 50s. There were amazing colors, pastels and bold colors. There were all sorts of trim levels available. There was chrome everywhere, from horizon to horizon, as far as the eye could see. No single nameplate expressed this more capably than Cadillac. And Coupe de Ville was their best-selling nameplate. So it was representative of everything that Cadillac was doing at the time. And this has kind of become the standard bearer for all things 1959. It's really kind of amazing. It's a design that is so over the top, so flamboyant, so American, so large, so immediately identifiable that everyone, even folks who are not car guys, know what this car is. And the only other design that even comes close to its iconic nature is the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Now, you know, both of them were polarizing their design, so you may like the design, you may not like the design, but everybody who sees these two cars know that they're cars from the 50s. Most people are aware of the fact that the one with the big fins is a Cadillac, and a lot of people know that the other ones are Chevy. They might not know the other brands, but they know these two cars. They've become representative of the time. And so Stamp has reissued their superb 1959 Cadillac Coupe de Ville in a brand new color. Now, Stamp calls it black. The color charts I see call it ebony. Either way, you're going to see the finish on this thing is absolutely amazing. It's a great model. As soon as I get it out of this box, we're going to get it on the turntable and take a close look at it. Before we look at the model, I want to show you this. Stamp has a new way of securing the model to the base. There's styrofoam that comes between the model and the base. Screws need to be loosened in order to take that styrofoam out. They now have 3 screws in there that are easy to loosen. It's very easy to take the styrofoam out and tighten it back down without the risk of over tightening it. Just shows that Stamp's always trying to improve their product. I like it. Here we are. Let's get some of the technical stuff out of the way. This measures out to a perfect 1/18th scale, as near as I can determine. I don't have calipers that are big enough to do a 1/18th model, but according to my rudimentary measurements, perfect 1/18th scale. This finish is just incredible. The black is so deep, you feel like you could just fall into it. It's perfect, it's flawless. It's beautifully done. The trim is amazing. It is to scale. It is accurate. It has dimension to it. They've done a really good job with the little details on this car. And as far as fidelity is concerned, they've got the lines perfect. It's a beautiful model. Lensing, badging, everything is minutely replicated, perfectly done. The lensing is beautiful. Those taillights above and below, really fantastic look. Same thing's true around the front of the car. That grille is a work of art. Headlights they look like full-size headlights. Again, the parking lights, the wheels, the tires, the wheel covers with the Cadillac emblem in the middle of it. All of this adds to the realism of the model. You can see the fidelity is nearly perfect. If you didn't see the mounting screws on this, you might think it was a full-size car. But the roof line's so delicate, so hard to replicate. Really well done. Windshield frames, the trim around the windows, the trim on top of the fins, everything perfectly replicated. Take a look at this interior. It's always important to me that the interior be accurate. And look at the emblems on the door panels, the little handle, the trim on the door panels, all of the buttons along the dash, and the radio. But look at that steering column. That level of attention to detail is what brings out the realism of a car. This is what Stamp just does so well. Here's the interior from a different angle. You see the dash, you see the numbers are perfectly replicated, the knobs on the radio, and that steering wheel, just a beautiful replication of the full-size steering wheel. They've done a great job on this. One last look on the turntable. It's just a beautiful model. The way the light bounces off the finish is amazing. Okay, so there it is, Stamps 1/18th, 1959 Coupe de Ville. A really great looking model, great detail, but that interior is just amazing, isn't it? So these things are going to retail right around $350 or so. You know, we're still dealing with issues about the tariffs and all that, so you're going to want to check with your dealer. But I'll tell you something. You know, I've said this about Stamp and GLM before. They sell out very quickly. If you're interested in this model, you need to either get a pre-order in or get a hold of one of them that may be hitting the dealers right about now and get yours. They don't make a whole lot of them, somewhere around 300 or so. They're beautiful models, and they're starting to appreciate on the secondary market. So if you can find one, I say grab it while you can. Just make sure that you know how much you're going to have to pay for it. So the tariffs are beginning to impact some of the retail prices, and some of the prices are going up a little bit. So that's it. Stamps Cadillac 1959 Coupe de Ville in black. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor. If you like the video, give me a like down there in the right-hand corner. Love to have you a subscriber. Now that we're doing some 1/18th, we're talking to people we haven't talked to before, and we're really getting a lot of action on the channel. So appreciate your time. I'll be back again real soon with more videos.